Welcome to Rina Juice TV. For today's video, pag-usapan natin ang AIP or Annual Investment Program. What is AIP or Annual Investment Program? The AIP is the annual slice of the BDIP or the Barangay Development Investment Program. It contains specific programs, projects, and activities with corresponding cost and indicative schedule of implementation. Based on the approved BDP, the punong barangay with assistance of the barangay secretary and barangay treasurer shall prepare the EIP. Take note that the barangay secretary and the barangay treasurer shall prepare the EIP, not only the secretary alone. Gumawa ako ng ganitong content kasi may nag-comment. Sabi niya, "Good AM madam, baka pwede discuss yung pag-prepare naman ng annual investment program." Shoutout po kay Sir Zaldi Orzawa para sa iyo po ang video na ito at sa mga nangangailangan po ng gabay kung paano gawin ang AIP or Annual Investment Program. So, ito na po yung sample form ng AIP or Annual Investment Program. So, sa ibabaw, mayroon yung FI or fiscal year. Ilalagay niyo dyan kung anong year niyo ginagawa or para sa anong year i-implement yung EIP ninyo. Tapos, mayroon ding name of barangay, city or municipality, tapos province. Dito sa baba, mayroong AIP reference code, program project activity description, implementing office or unit, schedule of implementation, start date, then completion date, expected outputs, funding source, personal services or PS, then maintenance and other operating expenses or DMOOE, capital outlay, and the last is the total. Under the general services, pwede nyong ilagay dito yung mga kung anong programs, projects, and activities na gusto yung implement on that year. Tapos, implementing unit or office, syempre si BLGU. Start date, 2024, then end din siya sa December 2024. Then, sa social services, kailangan maglagay din kayo dyan. Then, implementing unit, meron din sa economic services, then other services. Sa other services, pwede kayong maglagay ng counterpart fund for the national projects. Kasi pag mayroong mga national agencies na gustong mag-fund at nangailangan ng counterpart fund sa barangay, madali lang kayong makapagbigay kasi nakalagay dyan sa inyong AIP. Sa general services, pwede kayong maglagay ng purchase of lot for government purposes. And pwede din kayong maglagay ng loan repayment to include other related expenses kung may loan si barangay. Tapos, operationalization and maintenance of the office of the barangay or the BLG officials. Tapos, lagay niyo dyan kung sino ang implementing agency, start date, same with the above mentioned, then expected outputs. Tapos dito sa pinakababa, prepared by barangay secretary, then date kung kailan nyo inihanda yung EIP, tapos barangay treasurer, and attested by the punong barangay, at saka may date din kung kailan inattest ni punong barangay yung annual investment plan na ginawa ninyo.